Assalamu alaikum to all the kids, and today we are going to see the topic in this video is about the seasons, Indian weather and climate. The unit name is, as the subject we are going to see is social studies. Are you eager to listen what is the content we are going to see in this video? Shall we start now? Yes, inshallah. Shall we start now? Before this, one question. Do you know what is meant by season? Yes, you all know that there are different seasons are there, summer, winter, it goes on, etc. Okay, which season do you like more? Okay, we will enter into the topic. So by looking at this picture, you can able to say that this is a map of India, and you can see the different cultures, games, flowers, and some monuments. Everything is there, right? Yes, by looking at this picture, you can see that the background is based on the India map, India flag, and then different peoples are there, different religious peoples are there, but they are holding their hands together and standing. Yes, why we are seeing about this? Yes, let me say. First thing is, the India country is famously called as unity in diversity. Why? What may be the reason? What is meant by unity in diversity? Yes, unity means you know the meaning, and diversity means difference. Even in many differences, we the Indian citizens are living together in one place, that is called as unity in diversity. Okay, what are the differences we have? We have the differences like some people may speak in different languages, they will follow different religions, their food habits may change, they have different culture, we are different in our color, even though we all living together in one place. So only the India is famously called as unity in diversity. Yes, here the best example for unity in diversity we can found in the Islamic State that is established in Medina by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So at that time, Muslims, Jews, and Mushriks they all lived in the city. So our Prophet made an agreement that is called as Treaty of Medina. Treaty of Medina. What is the treaty name? Treaty of Medina. So this agreement was made for mutual and very peaceful environment in that city. This is also called as the first written constitution of the world. Yes, this is the reason for all the peoples they are living together in peace with love and affection towards our the fellow citizens. So India is a land of varying climate and people, and as I said, religions, races, tribes, different languages, food habits, even though we all are being together in one place. So this is the best example we have seen here. Yes, you all know that Prophet Muhammad, he is the last messenger for us. Yes, and also Muslims we played a key role in uniting the India and also for the development of our country. Yes, we have finished the first topic about unity in diversity in India. Okay. What is the treaty name? It is called as Treaty of Medina. It is an agreement. Why this agreement has created? To make the people to live in a peaceful environment. Shall we move on to the next topic? Yes, have you heard this word weather? Climate. Do you know by weather and climate? Is there any differences between the weather and climate? Okay, let us see what is that. Yes, weather it can change within few minutes or hours, but the climate, it takes a very long time to change. That is the major difference between the weather and climate. Remember this point. It can change within few minutes or hours is called as weather. Very long time to change is known as climate. Yes, what are the factors that affect the climate? Yes, here when we have to determine the climate of a place means it is based on the distance from the equator. If the place is near to the equator, it have very hot climate. If it is far from the equator, it will give us very cool, that is cold climate. So based on the equator only, it depends on the hot and cold. Okay, there are temperature, rainfall and direction of the wind in that region. These are the main factors that is affecting the climate. Okay. Okay, what is mean by seasons? You all know that different types of seasons is there. Seasons is nothing but a part of the year which has a particular type of weather is called as season. Part of the year which has a particular type of weather is called as season. Yes, look at this picture, how beautiful it is for showing the different types of climate. So our India, we are saying that it has a tropical climate, and the types of seasons we can able to see that is summer, autumn, winter, monsoon, isn't it? Yes. Okay, let us start the seasons in India. First season we are going to see is about summer season. What season we are going to see now? We are going to see the season is called summer season. Yes, summer season, it starts from the middle of March and extends up to mid-June. So days are long and nights are short. The places you can say that Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan. The dust storms are very common in Rajasthan. And then the hailstorms, it can bring us relief from heat. Hailstorms will occur when the dry and moist air masses, it both comes in contact with each other. It will create the hailstorms. The weather in hill stations is cool and pleasant in summer. So only we will go to the Kodaikanal and Ooty when the summer season starts, because that area will remain so cool, isn't it? How many of you visited those places? Okay. Many people from the plains visit the hilly areas like Nainital, Mussoorie, Simla, Darjeeling, Manali, and etc. And another one more point, the coastal plains nearer to the sea get the cool sea breeze. Remember this, the plains, that is the coastal plains which are nearer to the sea, will get the cool sea breeze. The summers get mild in this region. And then about humidity. Okay, humidity in these areas are very high since there is a moisture in the atmosphere. Remember these points we have seen about when the summer season starts. It starts from middle of March and it extends up to mid-June. The days are long and nights are short. What are the places? The places like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan are very hot. And in Rajasthan, it will occur the dust storms and the hailstorms. How the hailstorms are occurring? It is occurring due to the dry and moist air masses when it comes in contact with each other. And then the coastal plains, it will receive the cool sea breeze, so that the humidity in this area is very high and there is a moisture in the atmosphere. Okay kids, we will see the further seasons in the next coming up video, and hope you all understood this. And inshallah we will see in the next video. Assalamu alaikum and jazakallahu khairan.